guys, thank you for tuning in to part 3 on the Boss Audio System and 4-inch LED light install. We're going to be showing you the lights and let you hear some audio out of this thing. I already mounted the speakers, got all the wiring tucked in, conduited up. It's all ready to go and ready to turn it on and see what this 1000-watt Boss Audio System will do. So let's get it started. Alright guys, I have made a mess in my garage doing this project, but there it is. 4 speakers. Let me show you what I did here. Alright. When you put it on lights, the lights and the speakers amplifier come on. I'm sure you heard the amp. With it on just run, just the amp stays on and the lights go off. So when I put it back on lights, they're both on. Turn the key off, they both go off. I finished the wiring up, conduited everything up to the speakers, got it all conduited up. That was factory. This is conduit up to the speakers. It's all tucked away. It's a pretty clean install. That's the amp. I guess y'all are ready to hear this thing and see the lights in the dark. How about guys, I'm going to let you listen to these speakers. I know y'all are dying to hear them. I actually mowed the yard with them today, and they done awesome. I could hear them really good over the engine, over the blades. I kept it at about half volume. Alright, get her phone paired up here. First off, turn the key on. You'll hear the amp make a sound. Doodle-doodle-doo. There you go. Alright. It automatically comes up your phone. Bluetooth pairing request from Boss MCBK470B. Just click pair. Alright. And now we're ready to turn on some tunes. Let's see what this system's got. It's supposed to be 1000 watts peak power. take this thing outside and show y'all how loud it is from a distance. So we're gonna do that right now.
Alright guys, that's the end of it. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Like, subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell to get future notifications of other videos like this and repair videos. And again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.